In order to add an image to your Yahoo signature, you need to go ahead and open mail.yahoo.com, log into your account, tap on the More icon from the left-hand side of the screen and tap on Settings to open it. Once you're in the settings, go ahead and tap on Writing Email, that is between Notifications and Viewing Email option. Make sure that the signature option is checked or toggled. This will let you view a box where you will type your signature. Go ahead, copy your logo in your clipboard and simply paste the image that you've copied. Once done, hit enter to add a line break below the image and then type any character underneath the image and copy both the image and the character you typed in the previous step. Now go back to your Yahoo signature and paste it over here. If you try to paste the image directly, it won't work. So this method ensures the image is correctly added. Now, when you compose a new email, your signature with the image will automatically appear. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.